What's up, lawn dogs? Jeff Foster here, Ulnar Lawn Care, UlnarLawnCare.com. Hey, hope your Sunday is going well. I am here as promised, 2020 setup. Stick around. You'll enjoy this. Well, at least I hope you do. Give a thumbs up anyway. All right, I'm out. All right, as promised, I am going to show you the 2020 setup. We're going to start with the first crew setup. So basically, at times I'll have two crews out. So we're going to go down the line of the first crew, what they're going to have on their trailer, and then we'll go over the line of the second crew, what they're going to have on their trailer. Okay, so here we go. Here's the first crew's equipment. All right, so the first crew is gonna have a PB770T on the trailer, backpack blower. The second one is going to be my 1080 or 8010 blower, but that's in the shop during that recall right now. So this blower is not gonna be on here. So we'll have one of these and then the 8010 on the other one. This one will be on the second trailer, or I'll put it up on the shelf until we need it. But anyway, right now, that is the blowers we'll have on trailer one. The trailer itself is a Sure Track trailer by Kelly's Custom Trailers here in Traverse City, Michigan. So that is the trailer. It's dual axle. I don't have the high walls, but this thing is solid. It's solid, and well, it's got trailer brakes on it. It's got the old gate right here, but we changed that out, customized it, so it has the actual pulls for the utilities there, the rakes, the shovels and stuff. This also can double as a holder for the edgers when it's edging season. It's not a shovel, so that's kind of nice. We got the holders are all custom made. They're not anything special. The holders were fabbed up here and put on. They work well for the backpack blowers. Same as the utility, utility holders for shovels and stuff like that. So, all right, let's go around to the backside. Nice spare tire. We got the ramp. I don't have anything to help me lower that ramp. I just deal with the heaviness of it. We have our trimmer racks. Again, those are custom made, homemade. Nothing special, nothing bought. They are on here. I got two that hold here, and I got two that are holding in the front. So I got basically four that can hold 4 trimmers. So right now I got my edger and 3 trimmers and another trimmer with the Edger Pro on it. All right, as for the trimmers, let's go into that. We have 3 Echo SRM225s on this trailer, on trailer setup 1. So we have one trimmer with the Trimmer Pro or Edging Pro, and the other one just as a trimmer. And then I have another one as a trimmer. Then I also have the PE2620S for the edger. This thing, I like this one a lot. These are good. They do the job, but as they go, I think I might try to upgrade them to the 2620s. We'll see. I feel these are so much cheaper than these, and they do the trick. So that is my edgers. All right, that's it, isn't it? Oh wait, no, we gotta talk about the mowers. All right, here we go. All right, so you guys all met the Kubota. Here it is. It's the Z781I. That's the 60-inch. That has the advanced chute system on it. Took me a while to get that thing mounted correctly, but I got it on there. Other than that, it's just the standard 7Z81I. This thing is my 60-inch mower. This would be on 1. This leak is from a mower that is not sitting here no more. I got to get some cat litter down. That's not from this mower at all. The mower that this was leaking from is actually in the shop and getting worked on. But this is the 60-inch that's going to be on trailer number 1. All right. The other mower is the Grandstand. That is going to be on trailer number 1 also. I've been driving this thing for the last few days and gotten pretty good at it. Still not super fast, but I'm definitely not crashing like I thought I would. So Grandstand, this has got the 54-inch deck. It's a little older model, I believe. I think the newer models are out, and I'm not a model guy. I really don't know a lot about like the different model numbers and stuff like that. It does have the Kawasaki engine right there, and so does the Kubota. So that is the mower. So this mower, the Grandstand, and the Kubota will be on trailer number 1. The Grandstand does come with a accelerator grass catcher, and so, well, yeah, accelerator grass catcher. This isn't the one for the grass. Yeah, this is a Grandstand one. Nope, the Grandstand one's over there, but this is to a different mower. But let's see here, let's get over there. That's the one to the Grandstand. See the GS? Got a couple dings in it, but that's the grass catcher for the Grandstand. So those will be on trailer number 1. Now you're seeing this mower on the trailer right now. That's just because the thatcher's hooked up to it, and that's the one we're using to dethatch. That mower is actually not mine. That mower is Mark's from Clean Cuts. He's keeping this one. However, the mower that I have that this can go on hasn't been working since we got it, and he's got it in the shop getting it fixed and running right now on him. I'm going to pay for the tune-up, but he's going to get it up and running. So anyway, that one's in the shop, and he's getting it running. It's not the one that was leaking over there either. But this one's Mark's here. But the thatcher is mine, and that is part of my setup right now. That thing's been out running lately, every day. I got the waste bends, those are mine. So that is trailer number 1. The other trailer number 2, isn't set up, but I'm going to show you the equipment that's on that trailer. When I have 2 crews going out, crew number 1 will take this trailer with that equipment that I talked to you about, and crew number 2 will take my other trailer, my old trailer, and we'll throw this equipment on it. So here's the equipment we're going to throw on that trailer. So we have the PB770T right here. This is a different one. So we have the two backpack blowers that are going to be on that is the PB770Ts. So we have 2 of those, one of those over there and one of those that are on that trailer right now. As soon as I get my 1080 back, I'll be replacing one of those. So, and also we have for a mower, the Titan MX6000. This is a high-end residential mower. This will be on the second deck. This is actually good for a lot of our small, yeah, you guys call them grandma yards. This thing it works great. It works great. It comes with the grass catcher right there for it. And it's got the Kohler 25 horse 747cc engine on it. No complaints with this mower at all. The only thing I got, it's older. It's got, what, 400 hours on it. The steering is a little touchy. And maybe it's just because I'm used to Kubota, but when you're kind of going forward and back, it kind of likes to jerk a little bit. But I think that's just me getting the touch for it. The other mower is actually this mower. Wait. Didn't you just say this wasn't your mower? No, it's not my mower. But the one getting fixed is also a Titan MX5480. It's the exact same mower, exact same thing. It's just in the shop getting fixed. So that is my second mower that'll be on the second trailer. That has the Kawasaki engine on it, which I am a big Kawasaki engine fan. So that's so far so good. But yeah, then that one does come with a grass catcher too. It's up there, if you can see it. As for trimmers, same thing. They're on the wall over there. I got 3 of them. So I'm gonna put 3 of them on that trailer. They don't have the Edging Pro, but that's okay. But they're all the same. Echo, SRM 225, and all the utility tools are right there as we need them. That is for both trailers. There. None of this stuff is mine. That's Mark's, his deer stands, his Yamaha. So don't ask me questions about that because I don't know. That's his stuff. He don't really have where to store it, so it's here in the shop, which is fine with me. What else? Well, I don't really know what else. I got my Ford F-150 FX4. That'll be my backup truck. My main truck is a Ford V8 2500. It's getting its decals on it right now. Decals? Yeah, is that what's called? Decals? Anyway, it's getting the old ones taken off and the new ones put on. This is the other truck I got, the Ford F-250 Super Duty. It's got to get in and get the decals off of it, but I'm waiting until the other one's done and back before I even send this one in. But yeah, it's that's another truck, and that'll be a backup. And I'm still debating whether or not I'm gonna keep that truck or not. So it's hard. When I have 2 crews, I want it, but when I don't have 2 crews, which is gonna be, I think, most of the time, I don't need it. But some other stuff I've got. So I got the PAS 2620 here with pulled hedgers. A couple other hedgers here, Echo and Poland. I got those. There's another Echo over here with the paddle wheel. We used this the other day for the first time. That thing's a workout. We got the leaf plow here that's awesome for winters. I have not used it, or awesome for winters. Awesome for leaf season. I haven't used it, but Mark swears by it. So, but that's mine now. We're gonna give that a try. Wheelbarrows, and then of course the snow stuff, which I'm getting ready to clean up and put away. And this is the shop. I'm here to get it organized the way I need it organized today. And yeah, so, oh, you know what? I just forgot something. Over here, I got the Timemaster. That's also going to be on trailer number 1. Trailer number 2 is going to get a Timemaster sooner or later, as soon as I can afford to buy one, once I get money going. Sure cans over there. Again, I'm not a huge fan of them so far. I use them, but I don't know that they're my favorite gas cans in the world. I really don't know. I kind of get annoyed with them sometimes. I know a lot of you guys like those Sure cans, but I don't know how I feel about them. But yeah, so you see the shop behind me. This is a little office area in here I'm going into now. Turn the light on. The lighting in here is horrible. We're getting it upgraded. But this is a little area here. Kind of an office, but I'm gonna turn this into a blade sharpening area. Yeah. Fridge I gotta turn down. It's freezing my sodas. So let's figure out how to turn that down real quick, because coldest. Those sodas are on the bottom, and when I went to drink one the other day, it was like frozen almost. But yeah, I don't know. That's the shop. That's my 2020 setup. Nothing special. Some old equipment, some good equipment, some newer equipment. But it's gonna do the job this year, and that's what I needed to do. Make happy customers this year, get my name out there more, so I can grow next year. So, I really don't know what else to tell you about that when it comes to the equipment. You know, I don't got anything else in here. Well, the nice thing is they got a hoist. There you go. So I don't have to use my jack stand that I got at home. That's nice. I just wheel the mowers in here, hook it up, and lift it up. It's kind of convenient. All right. I'll be back with more. Hey, lawn dogs. That was a 2020 setup video. I know I posted a video earlier today. That was my me and my daughter's new little thing we're gonna do while she's on quarantine from school. Quarantine cooking with Mia. You guys gotta check it out. It'll be at the end of this video. Click on it. Hey, like, subscribe. Hope you liked my 2020 setup. Hey, do me a favor. Go give maximum effort. Make that green and be kind to everyone, especially right now. Hey, it's Floyd. I'm out. Wash your hands. We'll see you later. Deuce.